Max is the yellow boy, so I'm gonna be drawing 2 doves for Valentine's Day.
Yeah.
Because it's almost Valentine's Day, which is really cool.
It is.
Yeah, really cool.
Valentine's Day.
No, I think it's tomorrow.
What's
Yeah.
today?
Probably when this video is gonna be uploaded, it's gonna be Valentine's Day. I'm pretty sure.
Yeah.
So first you need some paper,
Markers and some colors. We got a lot.
Yeah, we got a lot of colors.
Yeah.
It's like a professional color. Yeah, whatever.
Okay.
So first we're gonna be drawing this line like that.
Nice.
Okay, then I'm gonna draw like these kind of circles. So upside down U's they're gonna be the feathers. Yep.
I'm an idiot.
You're not an idiot,
I'm
man.
supposed to go that way.
Then you're gonna draw like something like that, a line like that.
I'm just supposed to draw yourself.
Okay, then we're gonna draw a line like
No, I don't have any space.
I know, it's okay, you can draw it below. Or no.
Those
Okay,
are
whatever
from my
Max is
cousin.
doing, we're gonna draw these kind of lines like that, Max. Yeah, okay. Okay. Now I'm gonna draw another line that comes here. So black marker or whatever you're drawing with. So now I'm gonna draw its beak. Yeah, then I'm gonna draw the rest. And then I'm gonna draw these kind of upside down U's. This side.
Can you do one dove?
You really won't.
Nice.
Okay, I'm gonna draw
This
this.
is what I'm gonna do too. Can we now move on to the eye? Oh.
Yeah, then I'm gonna draw blue.
No, actually, I'm not gonna close that then.
Mine does look weird right now. Okay, then I'm gonna draw another dove. Yeah.
Just draw a tiny circle inside if you want. Maybe.
I'm gonna draw a line like that.
This
Probably
one's
gonna have to squeeze it like that. Okay.
I was gonna
And
do
I'm gonna
one.
draw sting like that and then beak.
Do
So
beak?
cut it up black. Yep. And I'm gonna draw its eye. And yeah, we can do what Max done. And yeah. So then we're gonna draw its wing.
Nice.
Draw 2 lines like that. Kind of thing. Well, I was believing. Yeah, then I'm gonna draw upside down view.
Mine went so far it's gonna crash.
No, it's not.
It's a bit.
Then we can draw a line like that. Oh yeah, we can look at the detail. It's on it.
Gonna draw the wing.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Well, it's okay.
Actually, just do mine, look. Actually, you're landed.
Okay, wait.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Then what I'm gonna do here. Wait. What am I actually gonna do? Oh wait. Chat.
Max, if you really want, you can draw the other wing there, but it's too wet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
It
rock
is too wet, actually.
Christmas.
So then we're actually gonna draw this other one like that. They're the exact same. The line connecting.
What? I'm just gonna do this.
Yeah. Okay. So Max won't have to do what I'm doing. I'm just because I'm doing something different. Yeah. So that's our doves.
I'm just gonna
But
do the love
Yeah,
heart.
we're gonna do the love hearts. So and all that.
I may have started it already.
It's okay.
I'm gonna do like it's flat.
Okay. Yeah.
Love heart.
Whatever you want.
The person who drew this are artists.
Yeah.
Okay. Can I color it now?
Yeah. Now we're gonna color and we're gonna fast forward also.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm done my job.
What is that?
What?
White and grey. What the what?
Where's this gonna add? What? That's good, isn't it?
Yeah, pretty good.
Pretty good. It's great. It's good, Max.
Look. Just gonna clear this. Taking a lot of progress.
I'll help you.
Okay, thanks. No, wait. Okay,
It's
yeah,
the
sure.
same thing.
There's no
Oh,
idea.
it's almost the same thing. Yep. Probably. It will do. Because it does not finish
Okay.
perfect. So we're done our drawings.
Okay, guys, we're done our
pictures.
pictures. Yeah, they're
Drawings.
actually doves. They're Valentine's.
Yeah.
They're Valentine.
I love the love heart how I got it.
Yeah, I think you're gonna awesome job
Yeah.
together. And like the video and subscribe. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.